Hi folks, today I am going to show you what a bunch of termites having a party sounds like.
Try now, y'all.
Basically, what I had done was I had stuck my charger into this outlet thing here. It started making a crackling sound. It was kind of loud, so I immediately thought that there was some fusing problem or something like that, and I immediately switched it off. Then, upon closer inspection, I realized that the crackling pitter-patter sort of sound was not coming from the switch. It was actually coming from the baseboards, or whatever you call it. If you can see, there are actually a few holes that sort of happened because of like rain and stuff, and also I think might be because of the little guys there. I've got some white powder stuff around there. That's actually a chemical that I had put before, not knowing there was a termite problem. It's actually boric acid. It's in a powder form. It apparently will kill the termites if they come close to it, but I don't think it's working. I don't know if you can hear, but there is an orchestra of crackling sounds coming from the boards. That's how it is, and I will have to now spend a lot of money on not just pest control, but also doing something to the room, because I would like to tear off I never liked parquet. I really hated it, other than the fact that it was fun to play with the loose boards, or whatever you call them. Yeah. This is one extra reason why one should not go for parquet flooring in their houses, especially if it's low-rise, and especially if you've got a lot of other wood furniture. As you can see, here you go. The legs of my bed have actually been ravaged by termites. Stay tuned, and I will keep you updated on the progress of my termite problem.
Come on and light my fire.